Here we are in the 1982 VW Westfalia Vanagon. My friend Penny Lane. Come on, Penny. Let's get you up here. Gonna see if we can't serve a demonstration for the refrigerator. So someone do it online. Okay, we're gonna begin by turning the gas on. Switch it over to the left there. This right here will tell us whether or not it is actually on. What we do here is we're going to need to pump this left one. This causes the ignition, and then push this safety valve here and hold it in. Push that, hold it in. What I did was I pulled that out and pushed it in several times. Still while holding this in, I was advised to hold it in for another 15 seconds. As you can see here, we have lights on now. Making progress. Now I'm gonna let go. And I feel cold in here. So what we have here is a cold refrigerator. Oh, I forgot to mention, we put in the middle for gas right here in the switch. This is to run off the batteries. That concludes our session here on the camper utilities.